In this video, I'll guide you through how to download and install Outlook on PC. First, open your web browser and search for Microsoft Office, as Outlook is part of the Microsoft Office suite. Click on the official website, office.com. To download the Office app, you need a Microsoft 365 subscription. If you already have one, click Sign in and log in with your account. If you're part of an organization with a subscription, sign in accordingly. Otherwise, click the Get button to subscribe. If you prefer, you can use Outlook in your web browser without downloading it. Simply search for Outlook, go to the Microsoft site, and sign in to use it online. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.